A level 1 candidate recently asked me in class, if tax havens are illegal, how do they even exist? And I smiled, because here's the truth. Tax havens aren't illegal. A tax haven is simply a country that charges very low taxes and makes it easy to do business. Their pitch is very straightforward. Bring your money or business here and we won't tax it much. That's it. And no, it's not just some mysterious island. You've heard the names of most of them. Singapore, Hong Kong, Switzerland, Luxembourg, Cayman Islands. These are today major financial centers which handle trillions of dollars, including Indian capital too. Now here's the line that really matters. Tax evasion is illegal, but tax planning is legal. If you hide your income, that's illegal. If you structure income using the law, that's very much allowed. The difference between the two is honesty, disclosure, and compliance. So why do these countries follow this model? Because it's their economic strategy. Instead of high taxes, they build industries around banking, asset management, legal and professional services. For smaller nations, this attracts jobs, capital, and even global relevance. So now the big question, why can't everyone just open a company in a tax haven and pay nothing? Because it's not that simple anymore. You can't just register a company on paper, route profits through it, and expect zero tax. Authorities now ask a very basic question. Where is the real work happening? If the business exists only on paper, the structure won't survive the scrutiny. In CFA Level 1, we call this as substance over form. So tax havens aren't good or bad. They are tools. And in global finance, the real skill isn't avoiding tax. It's managing tax legally and intelligently. That's where professionals matter. Wealth advisors and CFA charter holders don't help clients to hide money. They help clients to understand the rules, structure wealth legally, and reduce tax without creating regulatory risk. The goal isn't zero tax. The goal is smart tax. So know the rules, use them properly, and stay compliant. And this is exactly how we approach finance at FinGuru. We don't just explain concepts for exams. We connect theory with real-world application. So you understand not just what the rule says, but why it exists and how it works in practice. Because in finance, clarity always beats complexity.